Si dating NEDA Director General Romulo Neri ang una sa mga guest na dumating sa Senado kanina. Tila kalmado ito at seryoso. Nagkape at naidlip ng sandali. Tila nagbabadya na ang tensyon na magkasalubong sina Neri at COMELEC Chairman Benjamin Abalos. Nagngitian lang ang dalawa, pero nagkamay rin sandali. Sa hearing, isang di pa lang ang layo ng dalawa sa isa't isa. Si Senate President Manuel Villaragada nagtanong kay Neri.
Then we had a golf game in Wakwak, Mr. Chair, Your Honors.
Matagal yung golf game, di ba?
I'm sorry?
Sa buong golf game, wala naman kayong pinag-usapan tungkol sa...
But we had a nice golf game. The chairman's very charming, you know. And, but there was something that he said that surprised me. And he said that, SEC, may 200 ka dito.
Ano sinabi mo nung sabihin yung 200?
As I said, I guess I was too shocked to say anything. But I informed my NEDA staff that perhaps they should be careful in assessing this project viability.
Chairman Abalos, before we call Senator Lacson, would you like to confirm or deny that?
Ano mo, hindi ko naiintindihan yung 200 na sinasabi eh. So how can I comment on something na mismo ito nag-narrate, he cannot say whether it was 200 pesos, 200 million, or 200,000.
Ayon kay Neri, tungkol sa National Broadband Network ang pinag-uusapan nila ni Abalos noon sa Wakwak Golf Club. Natahas ang itinanggi ng COMELEC Chairman.
I'm not used to being offered bribe. Yeah. Second is, medyo malaki. No amount was put, but I guess given the magnitude of the project, siguro man hindi 200 pesos or 200,000. So,
Dahil cabinet official kayo eh.
I guess.
Even he himself had said that they have nothing to do with the designation of contractors. What would be my reason to approach him and offer him a bribe?
In other words,
if it is a bribe, Your Honor.
In other words, what you're saying here is Secretary Neri is lying under oath.
He is, Your Honor.
Sabi pa ni Neri, sinabi niya kay Pangulong Arroyo ang tungkol sa alok ni Abalos sa kanya.
Did you report this attempted bribe offer to the President?
I mentioned to the President, Your Honor.
What did she tell you?
She told me don't accept it.
And then, that's it?
Yeah, because we had other things to discuss.
Ang sabi ni Neri, hindi niya alam kung anong ginawa ng Pangulo matapos niyang magsumbong. Kahapon sinabi ng Malacanang na pinaimbestigahan nila ito at napatunayang walang basihan ng aligasyon tungkol sa suhulan.
Para nabalitaan ko, merong inquiry ang Executive Department tungkol dito sa deal na ito. Kayo ba naimbita para mag-share the light dito sa bagay na ito?
I was not asked about it.
You were never asked?
Never.
Noong Hulyo, matatandaang inilipat si Neri mula NEDA at ginawang chairman ng Commission on Higher Education.
When I was asked to transfer to CHED, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, but I was told by Secretary Ermita and also by the President that she needed me there because there are many problems that she needed to address in CHED, and I had the unique talents and capabilities.
Ginamit nito ang executive privilege para hindi sagutin ang tanong ng mga senador.
Was this ever raised again, the issue of the 200 karito?
We did not discuss it again.
With the President?
No.
But the issue of course, the NBN deal was raised again. After that, there was between you and the President, pinalo up ba niya?
May I claim the executive privilege, Your Honor, because I think this already involves conversations between me and the President, Your Honor.
Nilinaw ni Neri na hindi niya nakausap si First Gentleman Mike Arroyo tungkol sa NBN project. Nang tanungin ni Senador Loren Legarda si Neri kung may opisyal ba ng bansa ang nagpe-pressure sa kanya na panigan ng ZTE.
Were you dictated upon not to encourage AHI as you had previously done,
As I said, Your
but
Honor,
to prefer or prioritize the ZTE?
yeah, answering that question may involve, as I said, conversations, correspondence between the President and a public official, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, can you say that
As I
again?
said, I would like to invoke Section 2A of EO 464.
I was not even referring to a conversation between you and the President.
Well,
Nilinaw ni Neri na ang National Broadband Network Project lamang ang inaprubahan ng NEDA noong March 29, 2007 at hindi ang pagpili sa ZTE bilang supplier. Mark Salazar, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.